Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser and welcome to In the Cut, where we kind of just watch the laser do its thing. And today, we're doing paper on the Muse. Now this is some thick cardstock on our 45W hobby laser. I like doing paper because it's really cheap. You can test your designs and you can do very intricate things. So if you can cut up to 1/4 inch of wood and as well cut very thin paper without burning it. So let's watch and see what happens. There we go. Remember, when working with paper, the ideal thing to do is dial in your power settings, and that's going to keep those edges from being charred and having that black edge. No matter what, it's going to have a slight black edge because you're using concentrated heat to cut through the paper. But to reduce that, always dial in your power settings and especially dial in that current. Now, paper isn't limited to flat objects like we're doing today. You can see the awesome detail, but it's still flat. One of my favorite things that I always talk about is the Love Pop cards. They use laser cutters to create awesome pop-up cards, 3D. These are just the coolest things. I like them. So use your imagination and create awesome things on the cheap with paper and your laser cutter. of the things you have to worry about when cutting paper is one of the pieces that you actually cut out flipping over and getting in the way of your new vector line. If that happens, then it's not going to cut through with those power settings. It tends to hit that first little piece that flipped over and cut through that, and then not cut through the next layer. And that's with the dialed in power settings. So you can always check your power settings with two pieces of paper. If it cuts through the second one, then it's too powerful. So there we have it, guys. This is the lace candy skull design. I just found this on Google. I thought it was pretty cool, so I auto traced it and it cleaned it up a bit in RE3 and then just ran the job. How else could you make something like this unless it took hours with an X-Acto knife, and it only took about 7 minutes here. So if you haven't watched us on Laser Talk, we had an awesome Laser Talk this week. If you want to check that out, click the link over here. And we had we're getting started early on Halloween. So on Inside the Laser Lab, Scott and I talked about how to make this guy. Frankenstein poster. I hope it inspires other people to make cool multi-layered posters with different materials. And if you like this file, you can go download it on our website. Like, tweet, all that stuff. Leave comments if you want to see something custom or some sort of weird thing being engraved. Just let us know and we'll do it. And until next time, have a good Friday and keep making.